This is video 52 for the playlist that's devoted to 3D Experience CATIA generative shape design. And in this playlist, I'm looking at the wireframe tab. There will be other playlists for other tabs such as surfaces, volumes, etc. But right now we're looking at the wireframe tab. The particular icon that is being looked at is called the plane system. And when you look at the ribbon at the bottom of the screen and the wireframe tab is selected, there is a pull-up menu here which has work on support, which was done in video 51, and plane system that's being looked at right now. Uh, upon clicking on the plane system, this dialog box opens up, and we're going to do an example later on. The whole purpose of plane system is to define a bunch of planes in a given direction, a number of them that can be used for other purposes such as drawing, etc. All right, so let's go and do an example. We'll make something. I'll make a surface, for example, on that vertical plane. I will sketch. I don't need the circus, but I want to show you the functionality of doing something like this. Why would we want to do something of this type? Let me draw a spline here. So I want to extrude it to get a surface. Okay. All right, so let me see. Extrude it by 100 and mirror extend so that we have a bigger one. Bigger area right there. I'm going to hide that sketch. Now I'm going to make a direction. So on that vertical plane, I will sketch a direction, something like that. All right. And I will also make a point because I want to use it as the origin of how these planes are being generated. So I'll make an arbitrary point, maybe I'll do it on the surface. I'll do it on this plane. It makes no difference. It's just that I'm lazy to put in coordinates. So maybe something like that. All right. And now we're gonna go to plane system right there. It's asking us for a few things. What is the direction? Right there. What is the origin? It's that point. How many planes do I want to be generated? Let's make it 4. And what is the spacing on them for now? Let me change this thing to 20. We can change these things. So 20, see how it looks like. 20, 20, see how it looks like. Preview. So it generated that. Okay, so I may want to make these 100 so that looks nicer. There we are. So we have generated a bunch of planes, origin like that, and in that direction, the normal in that direction. And why would we want to do something like this? Well, for example, notice, by the way, that these planes have been generated one by one. They have label. For example, I may want to go on this plane. This is number 2. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to sketch on it maybe a circle like that. Exit. And maybe I want to extrude that. Yeah. On the other hand, I may want to go and on this plane, which is frame number 1, sketch on it something else. Sketch on it something else. And for example, a rectangle. Exit. And maybe I want to project that. So let's go and project it. Project that sketch on this surface for whatever reason, etc. And one more, for example, on this one, I may want to draw a elongated hole. Exit. Maybe I want to make it, well, project that. Fine. Project that. on this face. It looks like that. And maybe I want to cut it, split it. So let's see under transform, split. The cutting element is this. Element to cut that surface. Cutting element is this. And this is what you get. So there may be reasons that you have these planes because you want to use it for references, for whatever purpose you have in mind. That's pretty much it. It's fairly straightforward, actually.